Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the backsplash on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Pull and remove all the wash selector knobs. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Unplug the selector harness. Unhook the harness from the bracket. Note the orientation of each switch. Pull the tab back and twist counterclockwise to remove the switches. Noting the orientation, unplug all the harnesses. Remove the hose. Unthread the 4 screws holding the bracket. Squeeze the 2 pegs to fully release the bracket. Remove the control board. Lift out the button tree. Depress the tab in on the data port and push down to remove it. To install the new backsplash, insert the data port. Insert the button tree. Gently set the control board in the backsplash and align it with the 4 mounting holes. Mount the bracket by snapping the 2 pegs into the control board. Rethread the 4 screws. Push the hose over the sensor. Plug in all the wire harnesses. Feed the harness through the panel. Insert each switch and twist clockwise to lock in place. Hook the harness into the bracket. Plug the harness into the control board. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Align the selector option knobs on the D shafts and press into place. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.